5 everyday habits keeping you broke. Most people think they struggle with money because they don't earn enough. But the truth is, wealth isn't built on how much you make. It's built on how much you keep. You've probably seen it before. Someone earns a promotion, gets a $10,000 raise, and 6 months later, they're still living paycheck to paycheck. This is a phenomenon known as lifestyle creep, and it's one of the most dangerous traps in personal finance. Today, we're breaking down the 7 everyday habits that are secretly keeping you broke, and the neuroscience behind why your brain makes it so hard to stop. If you want to finally break the cycle and start building real wealth, this is for you. Habit number 1, the latte factor and microspending. It's not just about the coffee. It's about the latte factor, the small, recurring expenses we don't think twice about. Whether it's a $5 latte, a $12 app subscription you forgot to cancel, or that daily snack at the gas station, these microspends act like a death by 1,000 cuts for your savings. The fix? Audit your last 30 days of transactions. You'll likely find $100 to $200 of ghost spending that adds zero value to your life. Redirect that into an index fund, and over 20 years, that's a 6-figure difference. Habit number 2, paying yourself last. Most people get paid, pay their bills, go out for dinner, and then say, "I'll save whatever is left." The problem? There is never anything left. This is paying yourself last. The fix? You need to flip the script. The moment your paycheck hits, the first 10% should go straight to your investment or savings account. If you wait until the end of the month, Parkinson's law takes over, your expenses will always expand to meet your available income. Habit number 3, falling for the sunk cost fallacy. Have you ever kept a subscription or held onto a bad investment just because you already put money into it? This is the sunk cost fallacy. Your brain hates losing things more than it loves gaining them, a concept called loss aversion. The fix? Stop throwing good money after bad. If a service doesn't serve you or an asset is tanking with no recovery in sight, cut your losses. The money is gone. Don't let it take your future money with it. Habit number 4, emotional spending and the dopamine hit. Retail therapy is real, but it's a trap. When you're stressed or bored, your brain looks for a quick dopamine hit. Clicking buy now provides that instant spike, followed by a financial hangover the next morning. The fix? Implement the 48-hour rule. If you want something that isn't a necessity, wait 48 hours before buying it. 90% of the time, the emotional urge will fade, and you'll realize you didn't actually need it. Habit number 5, ignoring lifestyle creep. As your income grows, your standard of living shouldn't automatically follow. If every raise you get goes toward a bigger car payment or a more expensive apartment, you are running on a hamster wheel. You're working harder just to stay in the same place financially. The fix? When you get a raise, keep your expenses the same for at least 6 months. Bank the difference. This is how the 1% actually build wealth. The path forward. Building wealth isn't about being lucky or having a genius-level IQ. It's about discipline and awareness. By identifying these habits today, you've already taken the first step. Remember, money is a tool. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will find its own way out. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more simplified money strategies. Comment below. Which of these 7 habits is your biggest struggle? Let's talk about it.